In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the failed to connect to server and unexpected error occurred issues here in Hytale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just hop on the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the game did just launch, so the server and connection problems are pretty common right now. I'm sure they'll get patched over time, but this is the method that is fixing this right now. Essentially, just go down to your start menu down here and just right click on this little network and internet area and go specifically into your network and internet settings. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Find the advanced network settings section right here and then scroll down, and what you're looking for is your Windows firewall settings. You may have to scroll down a little bit further to see this. Select it. It's going to redirect you to Windows security. Once you're on this page, what you're going to want to do is select allow an app through firewall. Select this and then go ahead and scroll down on here, and you're going to want to look specifically for Hytale. Now, this is alphabetically ordered, so just go ahead and keep that in mind, and you're going to want to make sure that all of the Hytale options are selected. So scroll down a little bit and find all these Hytale options and make sure that they are all selected right here, from Hytale JRE pre-release all the way up to Hytale client. Make sure they're all selected, and if you have more, make sure that they are selected as well. And then from here, just hit change settings and then hit OK to save it. It's going to close that page. And then at this point, try launching Hytale again and connecting to a server. If it still doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is go back to this same little area and temporarily turn off the firewall for domain, private network, and public network as well. To disable these, just select it and then turn it off. After disabling those, try relaunching Hytale again and try connecting. This completely fixed the issue for me, and this is what has been fixing the issue for other people as well. If you are still having any other issues, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.